In this video, I'm going to show you how to toggle off discuss mode in Base44 in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to switch back to a normal working view and stop the chat area from showing discussion mode, this quick guide will walk you through exactly where to click. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fast tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Base44 project. Once your project is loaded, look down to the bottom left corner of the chat area. You'll see the discuss icon there. All you needed to do is click on that discuss icon to toggle discuss mode off. That's it. As soon as you click it, the mode should switch off and your workspace will return to the normal view. This is a very quick change, but it can be easy to miss if you're not looking in the bottom left corner. So again, open the project, find the discuss icon in the bottom left of the chat area, and click it to turn discuss mode off. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Base44 tutorials and other helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.